Oh, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to switch off the passenger's airbag. Okay, let's have a look. There it is, the passenger's side. And there you are able to see this is a lock for the passenger's airbag. Okay. There is off and on. This is a switch. And where is the key for it? Inside our remote, as you can see. Unplug the key. Oh, good job. And there it is, the emergency key for your MINI Cooper. And now we are able to switch the passenger's airbag lock to off. Now, the passenger's airbag is off. And now you're able to place a baby seat on the passenger's seat side. We will have a look where you are able to see the light inside the car. Let's head up to that. Okay, now turn the ignition on and start the engine. Now you are able to see at the roof side of your MINI Cooper, there it is. There's information, passengers air back off. Good job. Easy as you can see. Nice to handle. To switch it on, do it in the opposite way, of course. Use the key and switch to on. And after this information will be off too. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.